Ricardo. Anyway, today we want to make you a nice, lovely, sweet chili king prawn. You're gonna love this one. This is really amazing recipe. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas coming out for you. Sweet chili king prawn. Serve it vegetable or rice. Whether you like to serve it with is up to you. So stick to the tune, stick to the music, and dance to the tune. Alright guys, let's go into business. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Google plus me and get a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more stuff coming out for the fans. So sweet chili king prawn from Chef Ricardo. One more time again. Lovely and nice. So basically, I have 2 packs of king prawn. So that's gonna be 200 to 450 grams of the king prawn. And what we're going to do now is marinate it. So first thing what we need to do is pop some olive oil on it. That's the first thing you want to do. Then little bit of fish season. Just a pinch of fish season. Pinch of chili, dry chili. This is some dry, well, too much. Some dry chili. Little bit of pepper. And this is some parsley, dry parsley, really nice. Some mixed herb, pinch of mixed herb, really nice, bringing a lovely flavor. And also, just a pinch of all-purpose season. Give it a lovely stir up. And this is exactly how it looks inside of the bowl when you put on the herbs and the season and give it a lovely stir. And we got some red onion. Some red onion. Nice one. I got some spring onion, which I'm going to be using. Alright, so we're going to put some spring onion. In it. That's the spring onion. I got a clove of garlic, so what I'm gonna do, just simply chop it up very finely. Yellow pepper, not too much, just a little pinch of yellow pepper, just for color, and some red pepper. So basically, give it a stir. Give it a nice, lovely stir. Yeah, this is nice, man. Look at that. Beautiful. Really nice. So what we're going to do now, we're going to fry it up, all right? And hopefully guys will love this one. Really nice. So what I'm gonna do, just pop a little bit of salt, not too much. As you can see. Really nice, guys, honestly. You guys are gonna love this one. Sweet chili king prawn from Chef Ricardo. First thing, now, as you can see, that's the prawn right there. And honestly, give it a little stir. As you can see. So what we're going to do now, we're going to put a little bit of soy sauce for coloring. Alright, just a little bit of soy sauce for coloring. Not too much, because we don't want to put too much soy sauce, and because soy sauce have a lot of salt, so you don't want to put too much. Alright, but as you can see, exactly, the color start to change. Then next thing what we need to do also is put a little bit of sweet chili sauce, getting a lovely flavor and a nice color to it. So what we're going to do, we're going to pop some sweet chili sauce on it like that. Look at that, guys, that is amazing. Alright, it's just something totally different, and I know the fans will definitely love this one. Alright, guys, so, and honestly, I'm not gonna be showing off, but honestly, right now, guys, I'll tell you something. This kind of recipe is not a normal recipe, guys. Alright, honestly, it's no normal recipe, guys, honestly. But look at that. That is fantastic, beautiful and nice with the red onion and the red pepper, and you know what I mean, it just give it a lovely color and a nice lovely texture towards it, guys, as you can see exactly what is taking place. But I'm going to be going some live scening in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo show, guys, honestly, and I know you guys are going to love this kind of thing what I'm going to be doing at the moment, because you see, well, a lot of people doesn't know that when I'm cooking, I'm giving the best for the fans them. I like to make my fans them happy and them love the recipe them, and then say, yes, Chef Ricardo, this is exactly what we want to see. So anyway, this recipe right here is an amazing recipe. It's going to be blowing someone's brain. As you can see, all the prawn them looking so lovely and nice. Look at that, really nice. But you know what happened? I'm gonna put some dry parsley. Look at this. Cause what happened now, the dry parsley is green, but you know what happened? When you put it on it, you're gonna give it a lovely color and a nice lovely, bringing a lovely flavor towards it, guys, honestly. So as you can see exactly what's going on right now in the kitchen. I want to say big up all of my fans them. And you know what I mean, we loving the guys, honestly, but you know what I mean, True have been just cooking at the moment, and it's just crazy at the moment with the pot and everything just going on. I want something going on right now at the moment with Chef Ricardo cooking show. But I want to say right now, I'm not going to be showing off with it, but a lot of people see me on the street and they see me and they say, Chef Ricardo, I think you're one of the best right now, and you represent Jamaica, and you know what I mean, a lot of them say, oh, Chef Ricardo, get your cookbook and all these things, but the most important thing is that I have a new cookbook coming out very soon. You see the new book will come out, this book going to, a lot of people are going to love this book, because what happened now, I'm putting some of the recipe them for, like, if you want to lose weight, and you know what I mean, inside of this recipe book which is going to be coming out. This book going to be amazing book, and honestly, guys, so basically at the moment I have it on a low temperature, and you know what I mean, now I'm going to be turning off my stove. I turn off the stove at the moment just to make it take time simmer down. But as I can see, oh, this is amazing, guys. And the beauty is, you don't see anything else. I got the recipe. I'm gonna finish up the recipe now, so make the fans of can see exactly what's taking place in the kitchen. Alright, so what's gonna happen now, I have some vegetable, and I'm gonna put some vegetable inside of it, like some some beans and carrot and some cauliflower. Alright, so basically this is exactly what's take place now. Alright, guys, So basically, you know what I mean, if you want to just get some beans and some, you know what I mean, you can put out some sweet corn in also inside of it and just bring in a lovely flavor to it. Honestly, this is amazing recipe. Serious thing going on right now, guys. Alright, so look at that. That is fantastic and amazing. But anyway, it's just a quick thing we just give the fans and to make them know. So listen, one, we're gonna start with some live scene in the kitchen, and you know what I mean, you guys going to love this. But look at that, beautiful and nice. So if you're a person who love your veg and all these things, this coming really handy for you. So please stay tuned and don't go anywhere. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe, guys. Look at that. That is fantastic. That is beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh my days. Look at that one. Really nice. You see that? That's exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. Exactly. And you know what happened? You can just have this on its own. You don't need no whole heap of rice or no whole heap of, you know what I mean? You can just have this on its own. Lots of vegetable and the prawn goes really well. So guys, hopefully you just love this recipe, enjoy the recipe, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Google Plus me. Guys, I need to just log on for the show. That's the best thing I could say. Log on, because we have a lot more ideas and a recipe coming out for you. Alright? So look at that. That is beautiful and nice, and I know you guys will love that. Thank you so much for tuning into the show, and hopefully we can come with better in the future from Chef Ricardo and the team. Don't go anywhere. We got a lot more recipe coming out later on. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically it's finished, and I just, you know what I mean, all I have to do is just have this just on its own, and it, you know, it's just really amazing and fantastic. Thank you so much for watching and tuning into the show. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas. See you next time. Bye bye.